Hello, welcome to my first ever YouTube video. Yay! For my first ever video, I have decided to take advantage of the fact that I've always wanted to try BuzzFeed recipes, you know, like BuzzFeed Tasty recipes. And I've never done it because I'm lazy. I don't think they're gonna work, honestly, because I've heard that BuzzFeed is fake news, so I think their recipes are also fake news. I'm gonna make 3. Number 1 is a microwave 3-minute omelet in a mug, even though it has pepper and ham. I don't eat bell peppers, I hate them, and I don't eat ham either, so we're just gonna put our own topics in it. I'm also gonna make a banana chocolate in a mug. And I'm gonna make a birthday cake mug cake. That is the one that I'm most excited and most nervous about because I know that one's not gonna work. I know. Let's get started. To make this 3-minute omelet in a mug, I need 2 eggs, half a bell pepper, which I'm gonna replace with a tomato, 2 slices of ham, which I'm gonna replace with 2 slices of cheese, 1/4 of a cup of fresh spinach, which I'm just not gonna put anything else. Salt to taste and pepper to taste. 2 eggs. I don't have tomatoes, but I do have cherry tomatoes. My dog is here for moral support because we both know that I'm gonna fail. And I have some diced cheese. Let's do this. I need a mug. Yeah. Salt, pepper, mug. Let's do this. I'm so cringily awkward. Look at this professional ass freaking setup. So there's 1 egg, 2 eggs. Someone wife me up. Seriously, like look at that. Look at that. I don't think I said my name.
My name's Kat, by the way. Thank you for watching my video.
I think that's enough. Look at me. Ew. I'm actually doing this because I didn't really eat lunch or breakfast for that matter, and it's 4:30 p.m. This is what happens when I don't go to school because I'm already in summer and no one is taking care of me. I just don't eat. Is that enough? I don't know if that's enough.
Let's go.
In it goes. Yay! I might get salmonella because of this, right? That's what you got when you eat raw eggs. I think I failed at this. It doesn't look very good and it doesn't look like the video. But you know something? I'm open-minded, so I'm gonna try it. It looks like eggs. It tastes like an omelet. Honestly, it's not bad, but I don't really see the point of like doing it in a microwave because it probably takes less time doing it in a burner, so I'll do that. I'm gonna give this like a 6 out of 10 because it's just a fucking omelet. Recipe number 2. It is banana chocolate in a mug. I don't know what that means. We're gonna need another egg, some sliced bread, some milk, cocoa powder, banana, and chocolate chips. It's in a bag. Be mad, America. Yeah. Summer of 9th grade going into 10th grade. I was very bored one day and I decided, oh, you know what? I'm gonna start baking. So I baked cakes and I baked cookies and stuff. Because of that, you know, I kind of, not to brag or anything, I'm not bragging, but I kind of consider myself like a baking guru, you know? Desired amount of chocolate chips. Oh, I did this wrong. I wasn't supposed to mix the little mixture of cocoa powder. Whoopsies. Ooh, that doesn't look so bad. Taste test time. That's a lot of T's, and I kind of have a stutter. Taste test time. It's kind of like a cake. It's so boring. Tastes like very bland chocolate cake. Maybe I didn't do that right. 4 out of 10, it's boring. I mean, it's not gross, it's just, I don't want to eat it because it's boring. BuzzFeed is letting me down. Okay, so far, so bad. Next is the one I'm most excited about, and that is the birthday cake. I really hope this doesn't let me down. We need some flour. We don't have any flour. We have whole wheat flour, so we're gonna make a healthy cake. Sugar, baking powder, sprinkles. I only have Christmas sprinkles. More Christmas sprinkles. Christmas spirit in this house is awesome. Milk, oil, vanilla extract. We need to have baking powder. No, you're kidding. We don't need eggs. Wow. So we need a bigger mug. I have this. 3. That was about 4. 2. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna mix that. That looks kind of gross because I used whole wheat flour, but I'm confident about this. We're gonna make a Christmas themed cake because in this house we got the Christmas spirit all year round. Okay. I really want this to work. Maybe it's my fault. It's probably my fault. No, it's BuzzFeed's fault. It's definitely BuzzFeed's fault. A bitch is ready. Oh my god. Okay, I'm definitely doing something wrong. I'm 100% doing something wrong. Ew. I'm mad. This looks f***ing disgusting. I mean, it kind of has the texture of cake. No. I might try this with like normal flour. This is gross as f***. I give this like a 2 out of 10. Not even a 1. 0 out of 10. Look at this. I definitely did something wrong. I was very excited for this video, but you heard it here, folks. BuzzFeed is fake news. I mean, this worked, but it's gross. This also worked, but it's just an omelet, so it's anticlimactic. This is just, I don't even know what this is. Anyway. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you clicked on this, you're super cool because I don't understand how views happen with having like 0 subscribers and stuff. And like this video, subscribe. That would be really cool. I'm gonna be posting like 1+ videos per week, so yeah, cool. Goodbye.